Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to remove the glue from your weave using the boiling method. So let's get started. Using a pot that I never use. I do a lot of cooking, so I'm always sure to, separate my good cooking stuff from my old stuff. Now it's up to you. You can rewash the pot and bleach it real good if you want, but I do separate from what I use for food. We have Miss Kwanda. She was recently a quick weave unit installed about 3 to 4 months ago, I want to say. So we're going to deconstruct her and open up those cuticles. I'm using 4 of my favorite hair products. You can use this on your real hair or your weave. I have the Sleep Pro Sweet Moroccan oil. Is so versatile. You can use it on wet hair, dry hair, damp hair, tangle, detangle. We have our Shea Moistures, Manuka Honey Intense Hydration Hair Mask. That's some good stuff too. We have our Sleep Pro Protein Moisture Mask. I love this so much. And we have our Herbal Essence Naked Cleansing Conditioner. Products are affordable now. I know some people use coconut oil and silicone mix, but I personally do not like it on my real hair, so I wouldn't dare use it on my weave. So let's get into this. The water to a slow boil, and we're just gonna add all our products in before we add our hair. Once products are added, just mix away.
Ihaksi.
Slowly just dip the weave in a little at a time, just so it could get a taste of the water. You don't want to just dump it in. You most definitely want to give the hair a stir a few times, just so it doesn't burn or, try to stick to the bottom. Yeah, so we're just gonna cook away. I left her in a pot for about 15 minutes, including stirs and on low medium heat. Here you can see that the hair comes right off the cap. There is no glue on the wefts. It just comes off so smooth and fast, and the hair isn't even tangled.
Ihaksi.
Okay, that is a wrap. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my video. Tell me what you guys think. Give this method a try. Let me know. Bye.